We'll guide you through how to factory reset your iPhone 15, including the 15 Pro and Plus models, back to your default settings. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This may seem obvious, but just remember you are losing everything, so you may want to back things up to iCloud or your computer. But if you're sure, you want to go ahead, open up your settings, and then scroll right to the top and click on your Apple ID and iCloud account. I like to firstly sign out of this, so then scroll down and press sign out at the bottom here, and then you'll need to go and enter your Apple ID password to go and turn off Find My iPhone. After you've entered your password, you can then choose if you want to keep a copy of your data on your iPhone, so switch them on, but we're resetting it so it doesn't really matter. So I'll just press sign out and then sign out again. Then it's going to go and sign you out. Next, you need to scroll down to General and click there, and then scroll to the bottom of General to transfer or reset iPhone. Click in there, and then at the bottom you've got the option for erase all content and settings. So click there like this, and then we're on this page here. It says erase this iPhone, and it says the following items will be safely removed from this iPhone. If you're sure, press continue, and then what you'll need to do is go and enter your passcode, which I'll do now. After entering your passcode, you'll have the final confirmation here, which is, are you sure you want to erase all media, content, and settings? So if you're sure, press erase iPhone. I'm not going to right now as I want to keep it, but that is the final confirmation. So that's it. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.